Nobody can intimidate us for this election. Nobody can intimidate us for this election. Yesterday, I was told, and today I read on pages of newspaper that one governor, the governor of Kano State, Ayasu, he said it's Ganduje. He said he was going to isolate me until the election is over. That tells you if Nigeria is supposed to be a country, who is supposed to be isolated? Who is supposed to be isolated? A man who pockets dollar in Babariga from contractors is not isolated, and you say me will be isolated. You see, that's why I say this country, where are we heading to? Look at me. And somebody who puts dollar from left, right, in Babariga from contractor is saying that I will be isolated. Let me assure you, why they made Ganduje the chairman of the campaign council is because of the dollar they saw. It's because of the dollar. But for the dollar, Ganduje would not have been made the chairman of the campaign council. But what they don't understand, that we, from the Niger Delta, will chop the dollar and will chop him into coma.